A favorite Yiddish phrase, Hab dich lieb, which my father and mother used to say all the time. It's kind of interesting, like in today's terminology in English, it's almost like, I love you, I love you. It's like, love you, it's like have a tuna sandwich, you know? Meet me like, I love you, and it's just thrown out. But I felt that Hab dich lieb, or the Jewish part, was more from in here. You know, it's hard to describe, but it came from here, rather than just, what do you mean you love him? You love her, you love everybody. You don't love everybody, you know. So, yeah, that's the difference to me. My father used to look at the girls. Remember, he's got 4 granddaughters. And he used to say to them, Mach glach de bremelach. Mach glach de bremelach means make your eyebrows, fix your eyebrows. I don't know why he said it, but to this day, if the girls all get together, they look at each other and go, Mach glach de bremelach. And Hab dich lieb means I love you. And that was his message to them. And it was really my mother's message too, but that's what stands out.